So I'm about to trim the edge off the full length of this bowling lane that I'm in the process of turning into a dining room table. That's gonna be its own separate video. I'll make sure to link to that up here and down in the description. The problem I'm running into though is the coating on the top of this is so thick and so hard that
That's what she said.
I just heard Jonathan Katz-Moses say, "Gentlemen."
Dude, keep it together.
The problem that I'm running into is that the coating on the top of this lane is so hard that I'm not getting the friction hold on the track that you know, you normally get on an unfinished piece of wood. The bigger problem is that I don't have any track clamps, but I do have a couple of these MicroJig Matchfit Dovetail type clamps, and they do fit in this track all the way until you hit this little flare right here. If I can show you. So it goes all the way in just fine, all the way until you get to the very end right here. So I know tool manufacturers don't generally like you modifying their stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't get that to fit properly. Okay, so I just marked the spot on both sides where it's actually interfering with the track, just so I know exactly what to remove. And I'm just gonna go ahead and file a little bit away. Right in line with that mark, and try to keep it in line with the actual clamp head too. Pretty sure that we really do not need to be removing that much material. That's probably enough. I'll hit the other side real quick. Probably gonna do it. Let's go give it a try. Here we are with our modified clamp. You can see just barely removed much material at all, but it's just enough that we're able to use that clamp now. Boom.